Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel that is Stillalearner. So today in this video we are going to discuss 4th class mathematics first lesson, which is let's recall entire workbook answers. Okay guys, so please watch till the end, don't skip the video. I'll explain and show the answers of each and every worksheet. And before going to start this video, let me tell you one thing guys. I have already uploaded your 4th class all lessons English workbook answers and all lessons EVS workbook answers as well. Okay, so please go and check it out, EVS workbook answers and English workbook answers on from my channel. I have create a separate playlist for both. Okay, so guys, let's start this video. So our chapter name is Let's Recall. We'll start with worksheet number 1. Here the subtopic is number system. Okay, let's see first one. Write the numerals for the following. Here we have given fill in the blanks type, where we have given the numbers in words form. Means words form, do you know? ON, E1, TW, O2 like that. Okay, so in words form we have given the numbers. What we have to do? We have to write it down in the numeral form. Okay, so first one is 6 given SIX. In numeral form we have to write 6. Second one is 18 EIGHTEEN. So write it down 18 as number in the blank. So in the same way we have to do it for the rest also. So third one is 71. Write down 71 in the blank. Fourth one 243. Write down 243 in blank. Next fifth one is 501. Sorry, 901. Write down 901 in the blank. Next sixth one 991. So write it down 991. Okay. Next one is 1291. Write it down 1291. 1291. Understood guys? Let's move on to the second Roman, which is write the number names for the following. Okay, now what we have to do? They have given numbers and we need to write it down in words. Okay, means exactly opposite to the first Roman answers. Okay, let's see. First one is 8 given, write down EIGHT. Second one 32 given, write down 32 THIRTY 30 TWO2. Third one 195 given, write down 195. Fourth one 698 given, 698. Fifth one is 955 given, write down 955. Sixth one 999 is given, write down 999. Okay, let's see the third Roman, which is write the place and place value of the underlined digit for the given numbers. Okay, here one box is given in which we have 4 columns. One serial number, second one number, third one place of underlined digit. Next fourth column is place value of underlined digit. Okay, let's see. First one is given 12. Number is 12. Here underlined digit is 2. So 2 is in which place? Ones place. Write down ones place. And the place value of 2 is 2 itself. Okay, next second one. 53 is the number given where 5 is the underlined digit. So 5 is in tens place. Write down tens place. So face value of 5 is 50. Okay, next third one 456 given number. So underlined digit is 4. So 4 is in which place? Unit tens hundreds. So hundreds place. Write down hundreds place. And place value of 4 is 400. Okay, next fourth number is 649 where 9 is the underlined digit. So 9 is in ones place. 9 place value is 9 itself. Fifth one 1761. So first one is underlined. So first one is in which place? Thousands place. So place value of 1 is 1000. Understood guys? Let's see the last number, which is 3894. Here the underlined digit is 3. Write down 3 is in which place? 3 is in thousands place. So place value of 3 is 3000. Okay, have you all understood? Now we'll move to the next worksheet, that is worksheet number 2. Here the subtopic is number system. Okay, let's see first one. Write the expanded form for the following. So here some numbers are given. What we have to do, we have to expand it and write it down. Okay, let's see. First number is 58. 58 can be written as 50 plus 8. Okay, next number is 442. So this can be expanded as 400 plus 40 plus 4. Next third one, 3609 can be written as 3000 plus 600 plus 00 plus 9. Fourth one, 8980 can be written as 8000 plus 900 plus 80 plus 0. Are you getting my point, guys? Okay, if you don't understand, please pause it, go back and listen to it once again, then you will understand. Okay, let's move on to the second Roman, which is write the short form of the following numbers. Okay, now here we have given expanded form. Now what we have to do, we have to write it down a short form. Okay, let's see. First one is 10 plus 7. 10 plus 7 is 17. Next second one, 40 plus 9. Answer is 49. Okay, next third one is 8 plus 800 plus 2000 plus 90. So first biggest number is 2000 plus then 800 plus 90 plus 8. So 2898. Okay, next fourth one is 9000 plus 900 plus 90 plus 9. Answer is 9999. Understood, guys? Let's move on to the third one, which is round off the following numbers to the nearest 10 value. Okay, here some numbers are given and now we have to write it down its nearest number. Okay, so 12 nearest number is 10. Then 26 nearest number is 30. Third one, 64 nearest number is 60. Next fourth one, 87 nearest number is 90. Understood, guys? Let's move on to the fourth Roman, which is round off the following numbers to the nearest hundreds. Okay, hundreds nearest we have to write it down. So first number is 185. 185 nearest number is 200. Next second one, 432. Its nearest number is 400. Okay. Next 621. Nearest number is 600. So 785. Nearest number is 800. Let's move on to the fifth Roman, which is round off the following numbers to the nearest thousands. Okay, we have to write it down in thousand nearest. Okay, let's see. First one is 785. 785 is nearest number. It's just nearest to 800. Okay, so second one, 945 nearest number is 900. Okay, next 1694 nearest number is 1700. Next 3004 nearest number is 3000. Understood, guys? Let's move on to the next worksheet, that is worksheet number 3. Here the subtopic is addition. Means you have to add the given numbers. Okay, let's see. First one is do the following problems. First one, 2 plus 3 is 5. Second one, 63 plus 6 is 69. Third one, 785 plus 47 is equal to, first add the ones digits, then adds the tens digit, then adds hundreds digits, like that. Okay, you will get the answer as 832. Okay, next fourth one, 634 plus 94 plus 187. So adds ones digits, tens digits and hundreds digits, like that. So answer you will get 915. Next fifth one is 456 plus 39 plus 784. Answer is 1279. Let's move on to the second Roman, which is write the correct numbers in the given blanks. Okay, let's see. Here we have given fill in the blanks type. So first one is 3 plus 5 equal to dash plus 3, means 5 plus 3. Next second one, 14 plus 99 equal to 99 plus 14. Next third one, 635 plus 1 is equal to 1 plus 635. Fourth one, 632 plus 245 is equal to 245 plus 632. Next fifth one, 684 plus 326 is equal to 326 plus 684. Next one, 764 plus 299 is equal to 299 plus 764. Next one, 396 plus 687 equal to 687 plus 396. Last one, 485 plus 969 equal to 969 plus 485. Understood, guys? Let's move on to the next worksheet, that is worksheet number 4. Here the topic is addition. Okay, so first one, do the following and compare the totals. Okay, here some numbers are given, means some numbers in an addition form given. We have to count and do the addition for the given numbers. Okay, let's see. 4 plus 6 equal to 10. 6 plus 7 equal to 13. Next, second one. 52 plus 94 equal to 146. Then 78 plus 92 is equal to 170. Okay, like that. Third one. 328 plus 258 is equal to 586. Then 458 plus 147 is equal to 605. Understood, guys? Please add the same digits, means ones digits, then tens digits, then hundreds digits, like that. Then only you will get the correct answer. Okay. Let's see the second question, which is find the sum of 0 and the smallest 2-digit number. So sum means we have to do the addition, of which 0 and the smallest 2-digit number. So smallest 2-digit number is 10. Okay, and you have to add it with 0. So 10 plus 0 is equal to 10 itself. Understood? Let's move on to the third question, which is find the sum of largest 2-digit number and smallest 3-digit number. First we'll write down the largest 2-digit number will be 99 and the smallest 3-digit number will be 100. Okay, now we have to do the sum. Sum means I told you it's addition. So addition of 99 plus 100 means sum of these two numbers, 99 plus 100 is equal to 199. Understood, guys? Let's see the fourth question, which is find the sum of the greatest and smallest 3-digit numbers that can be formed by using digits 6, 9 and 7 without repetition. Okay, here what we have to do, we have given 3 digits which are 6, 9 and 7. By using 3 digits, we have to make one greatest number and one smallest number, and then we have to add it. But keep it in mind that number should not be repeated, means digit should not be repeated. Okay, let's see. So the largest 3-digit number is 976. Smallest 3-digit number is 679. Okay, now we have to do the sum of these two numbers. Sum means addition. So 976 plus 679 is equal to 1655 is our answer. Let's move on to the next worksheet, that is worksheet number 5. Here the subtopic is subtraction. Okay, let's see this, guys. Here the first Roman is find the difference. Here difference means subtraction. Sum means addition. Difference means subtraction. Okay, we have to do the subtraction for the given number. So first number is 5 minus 3 is 2. Okay, then 69 minus 4 is 65. Then 67 minus 23 is 44. Next, 768 minus 495 is equal to 270. Next, fifth one is 835 minus 569 is equal to 266. Okay, next sixth one is 861 minus 25 is equal to 836. Okay, in the same way what I told you in the addition, subtraction also in the same way, you have to first subtract the ones digits, then tens digits, then hundreds digits, like that. Okay, now we'll see the second Roman, which is write the correct number in the given box. Okay, here some numbers are given, we have to make it correctly and write it down correct number in the blank. If it is addition, we have to do the addition and write down the correct answer. If it is subtraction, then we have to subtract it and write down the correct answer in the box. Let's see. First number is 9 minus 6 is 3. Okay, next second number 25 minus 17 is 8. Next, 800 minus 532 is 268. Next, 873 minus 367 is 506. Next one, 904 minus 467 is 437. Next one, 924 minus 209 is equal to 715. Next number, 939 minus 678 is equal to 261. Next one, 987 minus 409 is equal to 578. Understood, guys? So here all subtraction is given. Okay, do it by yourself and then check it out the answers. Okay, let's move on to the next worksheet, that is worksheet number 6. Here the subtopic is subtraction, means you have to do the subtraction. Let's see. First question is, the sum of two numbers is 93. If one of the number is 56, what is the other number? So here the question is, they are telling, means in the question it is saying that sum of two numbers, means if you add two numbers then it will be 93, answer will be 93. So among those two numbers, one number is given, that is 56, and you have to find out the next, means other number. How we will do this? So you have to subtract the sum, you have to subtract the given number in the sum, then you will get the other number. So write down, sum of two numbers is 93, one of the numbers is 56. If you minus, means if you subtract 56 from 93, you will get the answer as 37. Okay, 37. So the other number is 37. If you have doubts that whether your answer is correct or wrong, just verify it separately by adding 56 plus 37. You should get the answer as 93. Then only your answer 37 is correct. In this way you can check your answers as well. Okay, so let's see the second question, which is, the difference of two numbers is 65. If one of the number is 48, what is the other number? So here the given difference of two numbers is 65. Okay, from that one number is already given, which is 68, and you are asking the other number. How you will do it? Here you have to do the addition. Okay, you have to add 65 plus 48, then only you will get the other number. So 65 plus 48 is equal to 113. Keep it in mind that if sum is given and asking you other number, then you have to minus it. If difference is given and you are asking for other number, then you have to plus it. Okay, let's see the third question, which is, find the difference between the greatest 3-digit number and the smallest 3-digit number. First we'll write down the greatest 3-digit number, which is 999, and the smallest 3-digit number is 100. If you minus it, means if you make the difference 999 minus 100, you will get the answer as 899. Understood, guys? Let's see the fourth question, which is, in a cricket match, runs scored by the two teams are 342 and 208. What is the difference between their scores? Okay, first we'll write down runs scored by two teams, 324 and 203, means 203. Now we are asking to find out the difference. Difference I told you, to minus, means subtraction we have to do. Okay, so the biggest number is 324. 324 minus 203 is 139. So 139 is your answer, guys. Okay, have you understood? Okay, now we'll move to the next worksheet, that is worksheet number 7. Here the subtopic is multiplication. Okay, we have to do the multiplication for the given numbers. So first one is, do the following problems. First one is 4 multiplied by 5. 4 5s 20. Next, second one, 8 multiplied by 6. 8 6 48. Third one, 5 multiplied by 7. 5 7s 35. Fourth one, 49 multiplied by 4. Okay, so 45 4s 180. Or else you can do 4 5s 20, 2 and 0, write it down in the bottom side. Then 4 4 16 plus 2. 18, 180 is the answer. Like that you can do. Okay, next 51, 78 multiplied by 9, 702. Next, 95 multiplied by 6 is 570. Next, 95 multiplied by 8, 760. Next, 100 multiplied by 9 is 900. Understood? Let's move on to the second Roman, which is Do the following problems. Okay, let's see. First one is 4 multiplied by 3 is equal to 4 3 is 12. Next, 8 multiplied by 7. 8 sevens 56. Next, third one, 32 multiplied by 1. 32 ones 32. Next, 48 multiplied by 8. 48 eights 384. Next, 53 multiplied by 7. 53 7 is 371. Last one, 76 multiplied by 8, which is 608. Understood, guys? Okay, now we'll move to the next worksheet, that is worksheet number 8. Okay, so here the subtopic is multiplication again. So first question is, a box contain 8 oranges. If there are 6 such boxes, how many oranges will be there in total? Okay, the question is, suppose in one box there are 8 oranges. Okay, so like that you have how many boxes? 6 boxes. Then you have to do what? Multiplication. 8 6 48. So let's see. Write down the answer. Number of oranges in a box is 8. Number of boxes are 6. So total number of oranges is 8 multiplied by 6, which is 48. Understood? Let's move on to the second question, which is, cost of one book is 25. What is the cost of 6 such books? Question is, if one book cost is 25, then what is the cost of 6 books? Means you have to do the multiplication 6 into 25. Okay, let's see the answer. Cost of one book is 25 and cost of 6 such books is equal to 6 into 25, that is equal to 125. Understood, guys? Let's move on to the third one, which is prepare the following tables. Here we have given 4 tables. What are those? So in each table there is a table of 7, table of 9, table of 13 and table of 16. You have to write it down, the tables of 7, 9, 13 and 16. Okay, write it down. 7 1 7, 7 2 is 14, 7 3 is 21, 7 4 is 28, 7 5 is 35, 7 6 42, 7 7 is 49, 7 8 is 56, 7 9 is 63, 7 10 is 70. Like that, 9 table. 9 1 is 9, 9 2 is 18, 9 3 is 27, 9 4 is 36, 9 5 is 45, 9 6 54, 9 7 63, 9 8 72, 9 9 81, 9 10 90. Understood? Same as it is 13 table. 13 1 is 13, 13 2 is 26, 13 3 is 39, 13 4 is 52, 13 5 is 65, 13 6 78, 13 7 91, 13 8 is 104, 13 9 is 117 and 13 10 is 130. Okay, next 16th table. 16 1 16, 16 2 is 32, 16 3 is 48, 16 4 64, 16 5 80, 16 6 96, 16 7 112, 16 8 128, 16 9 144 and 16 10 is 60. Okay guys, please comment me below how far you have learned the tables, means how many tables you came, means without knowing how many tables you memorized till now. Okay, just comment me below. Okay, now let's move on to the next worksheet, that is worksheet number 9. Here the subtopic is division. Okay guys, let's see this. So first Roman is, do the following. 8 divisible by 2. You have to write it down, 8 divisible by 2. Here I have given for each and every question answer is provided. Please pause the video and write it down. Okay. I know you all are doing very great. You all are following my tips, whatever I am telling in the videos. Okay guys, please, once again I am telling you, sometimes do the answers by yourself and then check it out the answers. My video will be there permanently on YouTube. Okay, so first you try it by yourself, then you can check your answers by seeing my videos. Okay, in this way you can improve yourself guys. Please try it. Once again I am telling you, I request you to try and try and try. Okay, okay, let's move on to the second Roman. Have you all finished first Roman? Okay, now we'll see the second Roman. Here the question is, Write quotient and remainder for the following. Do you all know quotient, remainder, divisor and dividend? Okay, I know that your maths teacher have already explained you in the class itself. Okay, so here some questions are given. We have to write it down, their quotients as well as their reminders. Okay, so please pause it, write it down carefully without any mistake. Here third Roman answers also I have provided. It seems very little as I have no space to write it down, that's why please pause it, zoom it, put your video in landscape and write it down the answer. Okay, so don't do any mistake. If one mistake also is done by you, then your total means entire problem will go wrong. Understood, guys? Okay, take your own time and write it down. Please don't forget to check it out your English workbook answers and EVS workbook answers as well. Okay. Please share this video to your school friends and the friends who are from other schools as well. Okay. Please recommend my channel to them so that they may also get benefit from my channel. Okay, let's move on to the next worksheet, that is worksheet number 10. Here the subtopic is division itself. Okay, so first question is 6 apples were shared equally between two friends. Okay, how many apples did each one get? Suppose there are 6 apples. Okay, 6 apples and 2 persons are there. Means 2 friends are there. So for each person, for each friend, how many apples will get? You have to tell the answer. Okay, so write it down. Number of friends are 2. Number of apples are 6. So therefore the number of apples each one get is 6 divided by 2. So each one get 3 apples. 3 plus 3 equal to 6. Understood? So in this way you have to do the answer. Let's see the second question, which is 24 mango trees were planted equally in 6 rows. How many trees are there in each row? Okay, there are 24 mango trees. But what they have done? They have planted it in rows, in 6 rows. In 6 rows, 24 mango trees means in each row how many mango trees are there? You have to tell. So, write it down. Number of mango trees is 24. So, number of rows are 6. Therefore, total number of trees in each row is 24 divided by 6. That equal to 4. Means there are 4 mango trees in each row. Okay, 6 4 24. Understood, guys? Let's see the third question, which is how many 5 rupee notes can you get for 100? Okay, so here the answer is total amount is 100. Each note value is 5. Therefore, number of notes will be 100 divided by 5, which is 20. Okay, next fourth question. Balu bought 7 kg onion worth 350. Find the cost of 1 kg onion. Okay, so the answer is worth of onions is 350. Then number of kgs are 7. You have to do the division. So cost of 1 kg onion is 350 divided by 7 equal to 50. Means 1 kg onion is 50 rupees. Therefore 7 kg is 7 into 50 is 350. Understood? Next fifth question is the product of two numbers is 91. If one number is 7, what is the other number? So answer is product of two numbers is equal to 91. One number is given which is 7. Therefore the second number will be 91 divided by 7, which is 13. So 13 is our next number, other number. If you have doubts, you just multiply 7 into 13. You will get the answer 91. Product means multiplication itself. Now we'll move to the 11th worksheet. Here the topic is measurement. Okay. So first question is mention some objects which are weighted in kilograms. So here we have to mention some objects which are weighted in kilograms. Okay. We'll take it as kilograms. So answer is rice, sugar, dal, onions, fruits, still many more there. That's why write it down, etc. Okay, next second question. Mention some objects which are weighted in grams. Okay, answer will be biscuits, tea powder, coffee powder, toothpaste, soaps, eggs, slates, etc. Okay, next third question. Draw some instrument that we use to measure the weight of objects. What are the instrument we use to measure the objects? Let's see here. Here I have given four pictures. Please zoom it, draw it neatly and name it also. Okay, so let's see. First one is digital weight machine. Second one, electronic weight machine. Next one, personal analysis weight machines. Fourth one, laboratory weight machine. Okay. If you know other instrument, you just add that one also. Here I am writing, here I am drawing only four. Okay. Next fourth question is complete the table. Here one table is given which have three columns: serial number, content and weight in kilograms or grams. Okay, let's see. First one is egg. Egg is measured in grams. Second one is biscuit. It measured in grams. Next one is watermelon. Okay, so it measured in kgs. Next one is rice bag, I think so. It measured in kgs, kilogram itself. Next slate, it measured in grams. Understood? Okay. Now we'll move to the next worksheet, that is worksheet number 12. Here the subtopic is measurement. Okay, let's see first question. What are the instruments we use to measure the length of the object? Okay, to find means to measure the length of the object. Of course, we use scale, right? Or else tape. Let's see answer. Here I have drawing. Here I am drawing the figures. You just draw it and name it as scale or tape or whatever it may be. Okay, so next second question, what are the units of length? So answer is the unit of length are meters, centimeters and millimeters. I mean, write it down: meter, centimeter and millimeter. Okay, let's see the third question, which is write the names of three objects whose length can be measured in meters. So answer is windows, frames, TV screens, etc. would be measured in meters. Fourth question, write the names of three objects whose length can be measured in centimeters. Answer is trousers length, length of fish, car tires radius and pen cap length. Okay, next fifth question. Name three objects whose length can be measured by using scale. Answer is length of bed sheet, sofa, screwdriver, etc. Understood? Let's move on to the next worksheet, that is worksheet number 13. Here the subtopic is measurement itself. Okay. So let's see first question. Give examples for some liquids which are measured in liters in our daily life. So in our daily life, we take the liquids which is measured in liters. Of course, first will come the milk, right? So milk, oil and water, etc. are measured in liters. Okay, next second one is give examples for some liquids which are measured in milliliters in our daily lives. So of course, some syrups, shampoos, honey, etc. are measured in milliliters. Let's see the third question, which is write some instances, means examples where liquids are measured by more than 1 liter. So answer is mineral water, cooking oil, etc. are measured by more than 1 liter. Again, let's see fourth question, which is write appropriate units for measuring the items given below. Here some items are given, so we have to write it down in which meter, in which units they are measured. Okay, let's see, one table is given which have three columns: serial number, item and capacity measured in liters or milliliters. We have to write it down. So let's see the answers, guys. Please write it down carefully. ml means milliliter, then L means liter. Okay, please write it down carefully. Now let's move on to the next worksheet, which is worksheet number 14. Here the topic is time. Okay, let's see. First question is how many months are there in a year? Write the names of them. Okay, so answer is we have 12 months in a year. So 12 months are there. They are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. Okay, second question is how many days are there in a year? In a year, we have actually 365 days. If it is a leap year, then one day is added, then it will become 366 days. Okay. So 365 or 366 days are there in a year. Okay. Next third question is, how many days are there in a month of April? So 30 days are there in the month of April. Fourth question, write the names of months with 30 days only. So 30 days we'll get to see in April month, June month, September month and November month. Okay, where we have only 30 days. Next fifth question, write the date of birth of you and your friends in DDMMYYYY form. Means DD means date, then month, then year. Here this is a student activity. You need to do it by yourself. Please write down your date, your birth date and your friend's birth date. Okay. Mention the name and write it down. Okay guys. Understood? Here I am not writing anything else. That's why I mentioned student activity. Please do it by yourself. Now we'll move to the next worksheet, that is worksheet number 15. So here the topic is time. Let's see the first Roman, which is write the number of minutes for the hour given below. Okay, here some hours are given. We need to define it in minutes. Okay, so first one is 1 hour. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Then 3 hours is equal to 3 into 60, 180 minutes. Then 5 hours is equal to 5 into 60, 300 minutes. Then 6 hours. 6 hours is equal to 6 into 60, 360 minutes. Understood? Let's move on to the second question, which is write the numbers of equivalent hours for the following minutes. Okay, here some minutes are given. We need to write it down, the equivalent hours for that. Okay, let's see. First one is 120 minutes. If you find out the minutes into hours, what you have to do? You need to divide the given digits with 60. Then only you will get the answer in hours. Okay, so 120 minutes by 60 equal to 2 hours. Okay, next 240 minutes. So 240 divided by 60 is equal to 4 hours. Then 420 minutes. 420 divided by 60 is equal to 7 hours. I hope you understood, guys. Let's move on to the third question, which is observe the clocks given below and write the times shown by them. Okay, here 4 clocks are given in which time is shown differently in each clock. You have to mention the correct exact time shown in that particular clock. Let's see each one by one. So first clock is showing the time 3. So 3 o'clock. Not mentioned AM or PM, just write it down the time 3 o'clock. Next clock is showing 12:15 exactly. Next clock is showing 4:30 exactly. Next clock is showing 7:45 exactly. Okay, now we'll see the fourth question, which is draw the given time on the clock pictures given below. So here what is given? They have given the time, but clocks are empty. Now we have to show the time in the clock. Okay, so let's see. First clock is showing 1, means 1 o'clock. So that's why draw it neatly. The hour hand should be shorter than the minutes hand. Okay, so 1 o'clock, draw it neatly. Then second clock is showing 4:30. Draw it neatly, 4:30 in the clock. So hour hand should be shorter than the minutes hand. Okay, so draw it neatly. Next third clock is showing 9:50. 9:50. Next fourth clock is showing 10:40. Okay, 10:40. Draw it neatly. Okay, now we'll move to the next worksheet, that is worksheet number 16. Here the subtopic is geometry. Okay, so first one is write the names of the objects which are in round shape. Okay, so let's see. So which are in round shape? Those objects we have to write it down. First one is ball, second one some fruits, then marbles, then coconut, and clock also in round shape, right? So second question is write the names of the objects which shows like a box. Okay, so answer is matchbox, pencil box, wood box, tiffin box, first aid box. Okay, third question. Write down the names of the objects which have either a flat surface or a curved surface. So answer will be wall, TV screen, table fan, door and some vessels. Okay, let's see the fourth question, which is complete the following table. Here one table is given in which we have three columns, serial number, name of the object, draw the shape of the object. Okay, so first one is dosa. So we have to draw the shape of dosa, which is in round shape. Next, second one is book. We have to draw the picture of book, the shape of the book. So guys, I just draw it with my finger. That's why these figures are not clearly seen. So please draw it neatly. I request you. So to draw the picture of book, which is in square shape. Next, matchbox. Matchbox also you have to draw. Then laddu shape also you have to draw. Then chalk piece shape also you have to draw. Sorry, chalk piece box shape you have to draw. Then carrot shape also you have to draw. Now we'll move to the next worksheet, that is worksheet number 17. Here the subtopic is fractions. Okay, means part. Okay, let's see. First one is pick three the figure which are divided into equal parts. So here four pictures are given. Now we have to take those objects, means those figures which are dividing in equal parts. So first one is square. Okay, that one is divided equally. That's why I put tick mark. Second one is wrong. Third one is right. Okay, so four parts are divided in a circle equally. So that's why it is also right. Next, fourth one is wrong. Then fifth one is also wrong. Sixth one is E. That one also equally divided. That's why put it right. Means put it tick mark. Next figure is also showing equally parts divided. That's why put it tick mark for that one also. Okay, and the last circle is divided in not equal parts. That's why don't tick it. So guys, let's see the second Roman, which is shade exactly half of the given pictures. Okay, so half of the pictures, whatever it may be, you have to shade it. Okay, so firstly I am shading it rectangle, then triangle, then circle, then rectangle, then the other figure is not equally divided, so leave it. Then last one is also equally divided, so please shade it. Okay, so in this way you have to give the answers for the given questions whatever they are asked. Okay, now we'll move to the next worksheet, that is worksheet number 18. Okay, here the subtopic is data handling. Okay guys, let's see. First one is write tally marks for the following numbers. So one box is given in which we have three columns, serial number, number and tally marks. Tally marks. Okay, tally marks is nothing but you have to draw the vertical line. How many numbers are given? You have to draw exactly the number of lines. Okay, let's see. First number is 2, that's why 2 lines. Next number is 3, that's why draw tally it 3 lines. Okay, let's see the second question, which is write the tally marks for the given number of students. Okay, so here number of students given and we have to tally the marks for that. Okay, so 3 students means 3 lines, 4 students means 4 lines, 2 means 2, 3 means 3 lines, 4 means 4 lines, like that. Okay, I'm just saying it to you in an easy way so that you may remember this one. Okay, so understood guys, please draw it correctly. Maybe you are not seeing the lines of mine clearly, but I'll tell you how many numbers are given, exactly number of lines you have to draw. Okay, so this is the easiest way I thought I have told you. Okay, so let's see the next third question, which is complete the following table. Here one table is given in which we have 4 columns, serial number, fruit, then number of fruits, then tally marks. Okay, let's see. First fruit is orange, number of fruits are 3, that's why draw 3 tally marks, 3 lines. Next mango 2, so draw 2 lines. Next apple 1, so draw 1 line. Next lemon 3, draw 3 lines. Next papaya 4, draw 4 lines. Got it guys? Up to here your workbook answers, means first lesson workbook answers are finished. I hope guys you all enjoyed this class well and understood it. If you still have any doubts, please don't hesitate to comment me below in the comment section. Inshallah I try to answer your question. If you like this video guys, please hit the like button, share this video to your friends, to your family members and to those friends who are from other schools as well. And if you are new to my channel, then do subscribe. Join me on WhatsApp and Telegram for more updates. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.